Hi Bitcoin Wise members, it's Tuesday, the 17th of June 2025, and I just want to grab this opportunity to say thank you for everybody who's been at the launch. It was fantastic and the atmosphere was electrifying. For everybody who couldn't be there, we feel sorry for you that you lose out, but you will definitely make sure that you be at the next function that we held. So I want to keep this video short and just share with you the most exciting things that are happening now at Bitcoin Wise. So with Aborsa on board, we decided together on Friday, past Friday, we started a new campaign. Now listen, creating 1 million plus entrepreneurs before the end of September 2025. Yes, it's crazy, but we're already on our way achieving this goal that we set out for ourselves. So you have the opportunity to be part of this pioneering project that we're doing and changing South Africa. And somebody told me that if you think of the big names like Amazon and those companies, not even they can say that within the first few months when they started the business, they have 1 million or more clients. So this is pioneering work, and you part of breaking the ice, changing things, changing your own life, and also at the same stage, changing other people's life. So yes, be proactive and make sure that you be part of this. Make sure that you get the people into your network that you want there, because there's a tsunami coming of people that's going to flow over into your network. So make sure that you grab this opportunity and be part of this exciting thing. So you can follow us on our Facebook page and also on our website. There's a lot of new things coming, exciting things within the next week or two that will be implemented and be live. So there's always development, and always we are making your experience just better and better at Bitcoin Wise. I just want to say thank you. I really appreciate each and every one of you. Doesn't matter how big and how small the part is that you play in Bitcoin Wise. We are catering for each and every one of you. So thank you. I'm looking forward to share with you the exciting news as we move along.